loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick flip through of the Ocean Views Volume 2 from Cassthetic Plans. If you are planning to purchase this book, you are more than welcome to use my link. I would really appreciate it. This book has 468 pieces. I have not flipped through it right before you guys, so we're going to be experiencing it for the first time together. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. These are the type of videos that I do all the time. So flip throughs, hauls, plan with me's, and after the pens. So if you enjoy videos like that, I would truly appreciate if you would subscribe. So here we go without further ado. Oh my gosh, I am already loving this color scheme and palette. It is stunning and very soft. So lots of like blues and teals. So this is on paper. This is on clear. You do get 2 pages of everything, it seems like, or at least the deco pages for now. So same thing. Look how stunning. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And this is the washi on the side. So far, same thing, paper and then clear. This is paper. Look at the bonfire. The seashells, the little rocks, all of it is stunning. Then you have very realistic views of the beach. You get like a ripped, almost like a postcard view. It is so pretty. I cannot think of a more perfect way to use this than in a journal, and then journal about a beach date next to it. Look at these like geometric things, kind of cool. They're like shells with the line art, which I love. And Cassie always includes boxes, which I adore her for that, because I never want to go search for boxes if I don't have to. Also bullet points, so amazing. And then she does like combos for us as well, so you can see what this would look like. The clusters are stunning as always, and these are on paper because you need to be able to write in boxes. Then we go into the second collection, which is these beautiful fish. Look at that. So these are all sorts of betta fish, so paper and then clear. Look at this diving reef, like a view. So paper and then clear. The clear and paper just slightly different, not very much. I think they're going to look very similar on paper, but do you see like the colors are just slightly tiny bit darker on the clear to be more saturated. Look at these coral reefs, stunning. And then we have little blue bubbles. And look at this, bubbles with ocean waves. So paper and clear just like before. Then you get the boxes of the same colors as this collection. So very stunning. And then the clusters that Cassie made for us, they are beautiful. So that is all with this book. I hope you guys like it. I love it a lot. I think it's like very chic and elegant and can't wait to use it. So now all I have to do is wait for the summer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.